Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. For quite some time now, I've been wanting and keeping my eye out for a Smith machine, but so far the prices has just been too expensive for me. So in the meanwhile though, I want to show you guys a sort of Smith machine hack that I figured out. This one right here today, at least we're gonna show a bicep exercise and shoulder exercises. So basically you can use any rags that you have at the house. You can use the small towels or old t-shirts. For me, I'm using my old socks. So basically I just cut the tip of the socks right here, put it in this area on my rackable barbell. You can also use a straight barbell also with this one. So the main idea for a Smith machine is that it is on a fixed pull, right? So we are going to do that, except we're gonna have to keep it when we are doing our exercise, keep the barbell fixed or push against the pull right here. So it is sort of, I think, better than the actual Smith machine because you don't have to worry about keeping it flush to the pull right here. For this hack right here, you're gonna have to mentally and purposefully keep the barbell pushed against the pull right here all throughout the exercise. So you can use this kind of J-cup right here. The only thing that I don't like using this kind of J-cup is that the barbell gets caught up here and you are going to think that it's already here. Once you let go, the barbell has the potential of falling off to the ground. So what I'm using here is a band peg that already came with this rack. If you don't have band pegs and you have a pulley system, if you have more than one loading pin, you can use that as well. Just need to be careful though, because the entire barbell here with your weights has the potential of rolling off to the ground because there's nothing that's going to stop it. So since this is a 1-inch rod right here, what you could do if you have these kind of stopper right here, right, you could do that, right, to kind of give you some safety there. But for me, I'm just gonna keep in mind the whole time because I only have one of these. So during the exercise and when I'm loading up, I'm just gonna keep in mind, make sure that I flushed this barbell with the weights to the pull right here so that it doesn't slip off. So basically you have two angles with this. You can be on this side facing your rack, or you can be on the inside inside the rack facing out. So basically let's do a bicep curl right now. So the main idea is to keep the barbell right flushed or pushed against your pull, right? So this sock right here, or whatever it is you're gonna use, an old t-shirt, is gonna keep the sliding smoother, and also it's gonna protect your rack and your barbell from getting scratched up, right? So here's a barbell curl. You can do close grip, wide grip, right? And of course the shoulder exercises, shoulder shrug, right? You can use or you can do a wide grip, close grip, or what have you, right? You can do the overhand. I like to do also the wide grip, underhand, shoulder shrugs. All right, so from that you can switch, as mentioned earlier, to this side, right? Now this side, instead of kind of pushing it against the pull, you're gonna pull it, so you can actually lean backward, right, pulling it as you are doing the exercise, right? So you can get a full range of motion with this one, right? Of course, the shoulder shrugs once again, right? Overhand, underhand grip, wide grip, or close grip right here. So once again, the main idea is keep the barbell flushed to your rack. Well, that's it, everyone. Let me know how that works for you. I tried that today and it works very well, I think. So there's two things that's happening. You're pushing it and while you're doing the exercise, or you're pulling it while you're doing the exercise. Hey, comment down below and let me know how this exercise works for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment that also below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see all of you on the next one.